Okay, so today we did some more tear out. Took the door panels off. You can see we have these B2 audio, Pro audio speakers in there. We removed the headliner. We're going to do some sound deadening all up here, all the way across. We had some rattles up there from our test last time. So we're going to see if we can take care of all of those things. And also, we're going to swap these out for those Sky High Car Audio Premium 3-ways. We're going to use these nice little mounts that Steve makes over at SMD. And these will bolt right into the factory location, and it'll fit this nice, amazing set from Sky High Car Audio. One per door. So we're going to start doing some sound deadening. On the inside here. Start doing some sound deadening on the doors. On the inside, we're going to block these areas off with some ABS plastic. We're going to sound deaden the inside, this outside part, and the inside of the door panels on all 4 doors. And that's where we're at for now. Okay guys, so we're starting to do the sound deadening on the inside of the doors. You can see we've got some here already and behind the speaker here, and now we're going to start putting some all around this inner skin. We've also took this factory plastic thing that the dealership or the manufacturer puts on, and we built our own hard panel that will house our crossover for the component set. Okay, so we got our driver's door all completed here, and we got our little access panel that you can remove to get to the crossover if need be. Speakers are in the factory location, didn't need to cut anything thanks to these amazing little brackets that Steve makes over at SMD. You can get those at wccaraudio.com. Sound deadening's done on the inside, everything's completed. And now we're going to move over to the passenger side and start working on that one, and then on to the back doors. Okay guys, we got all the sound deadening done on all the doors. Got all the new speakers installed, door panels are back on. And we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of a smoke test before we start installing the new equipment as far as the amps and all that are concerned. We have it connected to our little nifty thrifty test cart for now, just so we can get an idea on how this whole thing is going to sound as a whole. So here we go. Everything is sounding really good, and I think that's going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned, we're going to be working on the amp rack next, getting that installed back there underneath the seat there, and we will see you guys on the next video.